What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I would do a bridesmaid makeup look. My cousin calls me 27 dresses. I've been in so many weddings. Not really so many weddings. I've just been in weddings back to back. This will be my 5th wedding by the end of this year. So here I'm just going in with that Natasha Denona palette and starting my transition with that very warm but neutral color. Next, I'm going to go in with the Dominque Cosmetic Celestial Storm palette. I'm going to take those warm shades on the end. Warm shades really look good on me because I am a warm undertone, which is why I chose these colors. You're probably going to think, whoa, that's really, really orange. But it looks great on me. It brings my eyes out. It looks great in photos. So you will see it all come together very, very soon. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown shade from the Natasha Denona palette. And these Scott Barn brushes are amazing. This blending brush blends like a dream. It really, really does. But that brown shade, I'm going to just focus that on the outer V. As you can see, I still want the orange colors to show, but I definitely wanted to deepen that outer V somewhat. Next, I'm going in with the shimmer color. The shimmers really pop with these makeup looks. They look great in photos. They look great with the dresses. I love me a good shimmery eye. I'm using 2 different shimmers here because I guess the other one wasn't good enough for me. But that Natasha Denona one is really, really pretty. But I still want to make sure that I don't overdo it with shimmer because I want that brown on the outer V to really stand out. See here, I'm still blending. And then I always go in with a black liner because black brings my eyes out. So lash time. Put some mascara on while the glue gets tacky on the lash. And here I'm just applying them. Throughout this video, I'll show you pictures of me as a bridesmaid. Yay! Alright, next is complexion. We're going to prime. Use a good primer, whether you're oily or dry. Use the primer that is suitable for your skin type. And I'm trying here to conceal my lovely red spots that I love so much. And then I always contour underneath the foundation. I feel like it really just looks better. It looks great in photos. And here, because my skin color is like out of whack, I don't know. I have to use 2 different foundations to get my skin color to match better. The Too Faced Peachy foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible Matte foundation, which I love. I love using a liquid highlighter before a powder highlighter. It really just keeps the highlighter on all day. And then I do 2 concealers because the first one's more for coverage. The other one is for highlighting. As you can see, it really highlighted underneath the eyes. And then here I'm going in with my powders, the NARS Laguna bronzer. I love this bronzer actually. First time using it, I freaking love it. It's the right color for me. For my undertone, it was perfect. And here I am just highlighting and contouring with powder now. Just contouring that nose, because I got a nose, girl. And then just blending everything. Here I'm applying blush with the Scott Barnes. I don't even know if this is a blush brush, but I freaking love it for blush. It just makes the blush look so flawless. I love that brush. Here is time for a highlight, one of my favorite parts, because I love me a good highlight to match with my shimmer on my eyes. And then I just like to set everything because I feel like I was looking a little dry at that point. Setting sprays are great when you're just looking a little too cakey. You just spray some setting spray, blend it in, and it kind of works. And here, the lovely eyebrows that I hate doing so much. I probably will do an updated eyebrow routine because it's been a minute. Going back in with the Natasha Denona palette, we're going to use that bone color for above, underneath the eyebrows, and of course just blend what's underneath that. Make sure that doesn't go away because we still want those colors to pop. And as you can see, the eye came together. It brings the green out in my eyes. It looks phenomenal, if I do say so myself. And then here, I like a good smoky eye underneath. It hides my lines underneath my eyes, so that's what I'm doing here. Same colors as the colors on top. I just smoke it and blend it all out. I like to add a lighter shimmer color to the inner eye because it really brings it out. It like brightens it because that inner part can get very dark. So I do like to lighten that up a little bit. Put a little highlight on my nose, and now we're going in with flips. I like a nude lip but with a dark eyeliner, but you gotta do it in a way where you don't look like a chola. So here I'm going in with the NARS lipstick here. I think this was like a Sephora birthday gift. And I tried lightening it up with the Maybelline lipstick, but it just wasn't light enough for what I was looking for. So I blotted it a little bit and then used that Maybelline lipstick again. And then I'm old school. I use the MAC lip glasses. I feel like they're the best lip glosses. They really just give you that shine that a lip gloss should give you. And that is it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. And be on the lookout for my next videos coming soon, which I'm super excited about. Peace out.